And brake earlier.
Huh. I'm not used to these tires are so weird.
There's grip, right?
Yeah.
Holy shit! What the fuck is doing grip? Between 3 and 4, you can probably say in third gear. Because from the passenger, it seems like it's gonna lose grip, but when you take the turn, it just goes.
Yeah.
I was like, holy fuck. I was like, what the hell? Where'd the grip come from? heat cycled REs can't even do that anymore.
Oh, damn.
Yeah, it just. Oh yeah, in here. Oh yeah, last braking zone was good. See if you can ride the curb.
Yeah, I was trying to. Like here, right?
Yeah, like yeah, there you go.
Yeah.
Because the curbs, they're grippy. The only time they're not grippy is when it's raining.
Alright. One more lap.
One more. There we go. Oh yeah, here, trail blade here. Yeah, and then hold the brakes. There. Bird, nice. Holy fuck. Tires make a huge difference, eh?
Yeah, holy crap.
So, yeah, first like lap, I was like, holy shit, it's going fast. I'm like, oh damn, the tires are actually gripping the road.
So much better. I didn't even check my tire pressure.
Yeah. Well, it's face the sun too.
I'm also like not taking my lines too aggressively.
Yep. Yeah.
There's no need.
It's gripping, right? Confidence now with the tires, eh?
Yeah. You can definitely mess with it a lot more.
Yep.
I keep missing this though.
Oh yeah. Turn in late here. Because you want to be on the left.
Like that, right?
Yeah, and then straight. Straight and then
I kinda got loose back there.
Yeah. You know, turn in a little bit later.
Later?
So you can throttle earlier.
I like going a little bit early so I can get it straighter.
Oh yeah, for this one? Oh yeah. When you trail brake, it turned in so much better.
Yeah, holy crap.
Here?
I actually had to back off the turn a little bit more.
Because you put so much weight on the front now.
Yeah.
Well, that's pretty cool. Holy, that's the first time I've been in the SW track.
Are you serious?
Yeah. Yeah, it's not bad. With the right set of tires, it's not bad.
A fun little lap.
Yeah. Okay, we'll see how much. Yeah, the turn-in's not bad. Stock alignment too, right?
Yeah. Well, I have the front camber bolts.
Oh, nice, yeah. Yeah, the front end bites for something that's light.
In the front straight though, it doesn't seem to want to downshift back to third.
Oh yeah. Oh, that's why you kind of just let it ride.
Yeah. I've always had issues with third gear since I got the transmission.
Pro?
No, it's